today's video, I'm gonna tell you why I'm never gonna buy these items in 2023, so let's get into it. Hi guys, I hope you're well. I'm very excited to be back on this YouTube channel. And if you don't know me yet, my name is Margot alias margavalux. I'm 27 years old. I live in Spain, in Barcelona, but I'm French. Anyway, I'm mostly talking about luxury bags, accessories, because I love this. I also have my own company, which is named like margavaluxpro.com. I'm gonna link here, and where I sell bags and accessories, luxury and designer bags and accessories. And I'm very excited because it's working better and better. We just sold like so many things in the US, in Europe, obviously, UK, and etc. So thank you so much for your support. Anyway, let's jump into this new subject, this new video, where I'm gonna give you like my 10 designer items I'm never gonna buy this year, and especially why. Sorry, I don't know if you can hear like the noise, but they have like some works outside in the streets. Oh, sorry. It's a little bit annoying, but I still need to film this video, so let's go. So the first thing I will never buy this year is the collection with Kusama and Louis Vuitton. And why? Just because I don't like it. I know lots of people like this collection, but personally, I really don't like this collection. I love the first one, but this one, no. I think, in the other hand, it's like a very good investment the first few weeks of the release of this collection, because you could like sell the Keepwell 45, for example, so much expensive. Like I saw the price in resale was insane. Like really, I know a few other brands who were like reselling like luxury bags and accessories also, and they were reselling this so freaking much. This was insane. But anyway, in the long run, I think you will get bored of this item, this collection, and resale will be much more complicated in a few years with this collection, I believe. Depends. It's all the time very different, but mostly it works like at the beginning, and then the more you have like yours, less it sells. So yeah, I'm not sure about this. Anyway, I will not buy this year. Yeah, the second item I will not buy this year, and I'm gonna tell you why. It's the candle from Dior. The price is 85 euro, and I don't want to spend this amount on Dior candle. I would rather spend this amount on real candle brands. So yes, that's a little bit why I would rather spend it at Diptyque, for example. I really like this brand, and yeah, I don't know. But if someone offers to me this candle from Dior, I would not say no. I would be very happy actually, because they're like really cute and they smell good. But I will not buy this year this kind of brand for candle. That's it. I don't know what's your advice on this. Just let me know in the comment. If you have like a Dior candle, let me know your advice on it. Maybe next year, maybe the years after. I don't know. But this year, it's sure that I will not. Sure. Let's say that we can always change our mind. This is what I'm telling myself. Always we can change our minds. Anyway, oh yeah, the other item that I will never buy this year, and I think the next years to come, is the Chanel timeless bag. And you know why? Because it's freaking expensive now. No, I will for sure, I think, buy another one. Maybe not this year, probably not this year actually, but not in a store directly. I think I will buy it like secondhand, of course, because I really love secondhand bags. I really love vintage, for example. And secondhand, you have better price, of course, and you can have also like different colors. You can choose your color, you can choose everything. Some of them are a little bit more expensive in secondhand, but it depends. I believe it's more in the US, because in Europe you can find like less expensive bag than in store. So yeah, it depends. Anyway, I sell sometimes some timeless classic bag, classic flap on my website, so don't hesitate to go. It's margavaluxpro.com, and every Wednesday I drop like new things, so yeah, stay connected. Another one, but I will not buy this year, well, maybe next year, maybe this year actually, but it's like luxury sneakers. I don't want to buy them again because I have already like few luxury sneakers and I'm done with it. I bought like the Celine one and the white Celine one and the white Roma one from Jimmy Choo actually. No, IY one, no Roma. And yeah, I think I'm done with the luxury sneakers for now, and I would love to buy more like city shoes, like more classic, more comfy also shoes, but more classic, no sneaker. that's it. That's why this year I think I will not buy any sneaker because this is comfy for sure, but I also want like more everyday shoes, like more stylish. I don't know. Anyway, if you have like any advice on which type of shoes should I buy, let me know in the comment. I would love to buy like over moccasin or mule. I love mule, and mine starts to be in a very, very bad shape. So probably, oh, why not? Oh yes, something else I will definitely not buy in 2023 is like every travel luxury bags, well, suitcases. Yes, I will definitely not buy any luxury suitcases as, for example, Rimowa. I really want to buy them. I don't know if we say like Rimowa or Rimowa. I don't know. Anyway, but I really want to buy this kind of suitcase. I love the color ones in plastic, but I also love the normal ones, the gray ones. I love the collab with Fendi and Dior on this kind of suitcases, but they are expensive and I'm not gonna travel a lot this year, so I really don't think this is like worth it for now. Maybe in a few years, I think I will in the end buy one or two, of course, but definitely not this year. I always also wanted like a kipple. I don't know with strap or no strap, I don't mind, but as we are not going to travel a lot, I'm not sure it's like a very good purchase for this year. Maybe next year I will hope like for sure we travel more, but maybe more like small weekends, because now our brand is growing way more and more with my boyfriend, because he's working with me now, not full-time but almost, and so yes, we won't have the time to grow our business and go on holidays like every week, so we'll probably have like some small weekends next year and we will see. Anyway, yes, another one is the Rolex. I wanted like a Rolex watch, the new ones, the Oyster, very colorful one, but new. Not really, they have like 4 years now, 4 years. And I was on the wish list, but I would rather pay for my Hermes bag, the Kelly or Birkin, than the Rolex at the moment, because I'm not so much into watches right now, for now at least. I like the watches, but I prefer handbags for now. And so I'm like, okay, maybe not now actually. I would rather spend the money at Hermes bags than the Rolex actually, for now. Anyway, I know I can have the Rolex pretty easily in France, in Paris, but still, don't want to spend this money. Yes! Another item is slippers, inside luxury slippers, as for example the Oran Teddy, for example the Bottega Veneta. I will put you like the photos. Bottega Veneta, the Prada one, the Gucci ones. I love the Oran Teddy and the Prada ones actually, but I will definitely not spend this amount of money on slippers. Inside slippers. Of course, you can wear them like outside. I've seen like people wearing them outside, but it's another level of luxury. And I'm not at this type of level for now. So not for this year at least. Or if someone gift me with this type of item, why not? I would definitely not say no, because I found this pretty cute actually, but I will definitely not this year buy them for me. Another one I will definitely not buy anymore in 2023 is the Tweedy. I already got 2, and for now I'm good. I will probably buy over like maybe in the next few years, but a more big like scarf, but for now I have two and they're like pretty enough actually. I really like them on the bags or in my hair or around my wrist. For spring summer it's actually super cute. I really advise you to buy them because they are like very cheap and they are very good. Yes. Another one I will definitely not buy this year is the branded sunglasses. I will not buy branded sunglasses just simply because I don't take very good care about sunglasses. All my sunglasses are in a very bad shape right now. I had like Celine's one. I had, what's the brand? I don't remember the name of the brand, but anyway, the few ones I have, and I have like unbranded sunglasses because I just don't take care of the sunglasses I have. I would love to have some of the brands, but not this year because really I don't take care of them. At first, yes, and then I put them like just like this in the bag next to the keys. Woo! So yeah, I don't know. It's really definitely not for me. Or at least I need someone to gift me the sunglasses because I will never buy this kind of sunglasses right now because I know how they will end eventually. I don't know if it's the same for you guys or not, but I don't know why I take such a good care about my bags, for example, but sunglasses, No way. And the last one, but I already talked about them, actually, it's like the moccasins from Celine. I really, really love them. I tried them on store last year. The small one, I will make you like the photo here. I really love them. They're like very chic, very preppy. But they're definitely not comfortable, at least at first. I don't know if you have them and what do you think about them. Just let me know in the comments, because I'm in the between, like saying yes, no, because like my feet are so sensitive since COVID, because I'm always like walking without shoes at home, and so I'm not used to wear shoes anymore. This is silly, maybe, but I put my feet inside like a pair of shoes, even if it's old shoes. Oh, it's awful. So I'm going to have like a big trip coming like soon, maybe the last big trip before years, and I'll have to work a lot, and I don't know how I'm gonna do, because I need to buy like the gel, what's the name? The gel sole to put inside the sneakers and stuff, because otherwise I'm gonna be dead. Anyway, this is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this little chit chat about what I'm never gonna buy in 2023. Just let me know what are your thoughts, what you were thinking about this video. If like you agree with what I said, or if you don't, we can always like exchange about it. I'd be very happy to read you, so please comment this video. I know some people do not have the habits to comment, but I'd be very happy. Anyway, don't hesitate to follow my channel also, and I have my French YouTube channel if you prefer to speak, well, to hear like French. Well, anyway, this is all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on Wednesday for the new backdrop, and yeah, see you. Bye bye.